Hi, I'm Holly Furen. I am a Seattle property manager and real estate broker, and today I want to talk about these. The smoke detectors recently have been required to be installed hardwired only. So if you are in a newer construction building, you might have to deal with these. And if you've replaced the batteries and they're still beeping, the entire device needs to be replaced because they only last up to 10 years, sometimes less than that. If you are a landlord or a property manager, you should be testing these during vacancies between tenants. And if you are a tenant, you should be testing these on a monthly basis and making sure that the batteries are new and fresh usually during the daylight savings changes. So in the fall and in the spring, you should just automatically replace those batteries. If they are not working, you should be contacting your landlord or your property manager to replace them and not leave them dismantled like this, because if there is a fire or any issues that brings the fire department, you can be charged $200.